All right, YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy, Motorcycle G. That's right, in the house. We're doing a POV right along here. Late night, BMW S1000RR. That's right, we got the streets to ourselves. One person behind, hold on. There's also a little sound test. Want to make sure the sound's okay. Can you hear the pops and bangs? Ooh, yeah. That's that Brock's exhaust. It's a full exhaust on this. If you're having a good time, like, comment, subscribe, share, tell your mom, tell your friends, tell your grandma. Oh yeah, music to my ears. Music, music! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, what do you say? What do you say? We're pulling up on some traffic now. Nice of them to let me come through. Appreciate that. Oh man, I wonder how long it's going to take for the gas light to come on. It's atrocious in this bike. Until next time, there's just a short little test. Like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more.